Engineering is the art of directing the great sources of power in nature for the use and convenience of mankind. With that mindset, Leak-Proof Engineering India Private Limited was established in the year 1973 with a small manufacturing unit. Since then, we have grown to become a pioneer and one of India's largest indigenous mechanical seal manufacturers. Leak-Proof Engineering is a flagship company of the EDR Group, which was established in the year 1967. In 1973, Leak-Proof Engineering was the first Indian company to manufacture a mechanical seal. Since then, it has made a significant contribution to the Indian process industry and has achieved many accolades, such as being the first Indian company to introduce flexible graphite packings, having an in-house API 682 seal and dry gas seal test facility, and manufacturing of silicon carbide and ceramic seal faces are to name a few. Leak-Proof Engineering has a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility spread across 60,000 square feet of area in the state of Gujarat, India. And this facility is capable of executing critical operations in the mechanical seal manufacturing process, such as lapping, impregnation, bellow welding. We believe that quality is the key to success, and the quality is the direct result of sound processing and practices. As a result, we are equipped with cutting-edge technology, precision instruments, a well-designed testing facility, a skilled workforce, and a strict quality control system right from the stage of raw material procurement to finished components, assembly, performance testing, and finally dispatch to deliver first-class engineered mechanical seals to our customers all over the world. Leak-Proof Engineering implemented an integrated management system through the achievement of ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and ISO 45001 certifications. We also have a qualification certificate from EIL and ADNOC. We have spent the last several years focusing on the development of new products through technology and innovation, and have established an in-house R&D facility that includes a well-equipped research laboratory with mechanical seal testing rigs for API 682 seal, dry gas seal, agitator seal, non-contacting seal, high pressure and high-speed seal. Our product portfolio includes a wide range of mechanical seals, API plants, rotary joints, graphite packings, bearing isolators and carbon bush. We serve a wide range of industries, including oil and gas, refineries, petrochemicals, pharmaceuticals, fertilizers, chemicals, power generation, food processing, pesticides, pigment and dyes, and general processing. Leak-Proof Engineering has built a nationwide network of branch and regional offices with a component team of sales and service personnel in order to provide the best sales and service experience to our customers. With a vision of global expansion, we have built a state-of-the-art production facility in Abu Dhabi, UAE, and a refurbishment facility in Al Jubail, Saudi Arabia, with sales and service offices across the continents. The versatile Leak-Proof Engineering sealing solution product range includes a variety of pump seals, agitator seals, dry gas seals, marine application seals, mixer blower application seals, rotary joints, bearing isolators, and various types of packing. While having a diverse product portfolio, we have always prioritized quality and class over quantity in our engineering capabilities. That is demonstrated by our leadership position in the Indian mechanical seal industry, as well as the extraordinary success of our innovative solutions as engineered seals that perform efficiently even under the most extreme duty conditions. Our values are deeply ingrained in our processing and business practices. These principles not only help us to nurture our approach and growth, but they also improve our ability to achieve our goals and compete. Leak-Proof Engineering India Private Limited. Since 1973,